In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a meeting in Microsoft Teams step by step. Before you start, there's one important thing to keep in mind. You need to be the meeting organizer, a co-organizer, or have permission to record the meeting. In some organizations, recording is controlled by Microsoft 365 settings, so if you don't see the option, it may be restricted by your admin rather than missing from your account. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and join the meeting you want to record. Once you're inside the meeting, look at the meeting controls bar. This is where you'll find the main options for managing the session. Next, click the More menu, shown as 3 dots. This opens a list of additional meeting actions that aren't displayed directly on the main toolbar. From that menu, select Record and Transcribe. This is the section where Microsoft Teams places the recording controls. After that, click Start Recording. In some cases, a confirmation prompt may appear. If it does, simply click Start to continue. As soon as the recording begins, Teams will automatically notify everyone in the meeting that the session is being recorded. This is helpful for transparency and compliance, so don't be surprised when that notification appears. It lets all participants know the meeting audio and activity are now being captured. If you're presenting or sharing important information, it's a good idea to make sure the recording has actually started before continuing with anything critical. A quick glance at the meeting interface can help confirm that everything is active. When you're ready to stop the recording, go back to the meeting controls and click the More menu again, the same 3-dot icon you used earlier. Then select Record and Transcribe once more. From there, click Stop Recording. Teams may ask you to confirm this action, so if prompted, go ahead and confirm that you want to stop the recording. Once you stop it, the recording will begin processing. Depending on your organization's setup and the length of the meeting, it may take a little time before the recording becomes available. So if you don't see it immediately, give it a few minutes. And that's all there is to it. Open Teams, join your meeting, use the More menu to start recording, and return to the same area when you're ready to stop. It's a simple process once you know where the controls are, and it's a great way to save important conversations, training sessions, or team updates for later review.